Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. What is going on, everybody? Hopefully y'all are having an amazing day. For me, it's pretty early. It's about 9 o'clock this morning, and I got like a little bit of a vlog that I wanted to do. Now, I know usually we just setting up in front of the studio. Today, I wanted to get outside of the studio and just do a little bit of vlogging because there's really only a little bit of vlogging. I have to stop by the post office to pick up a new package, a sneaker I had my eye on for a while and I got a great deal on. So we're going to go to the post office, pick up the sneaker, bring them back. And I'm going to try an app called Check for the first time because they say it's a fast way to legit check sneakers. Now, I do have a package and I got a great deal for it, and shout out to the homie for allowing me to legit check the shoe before I pay for it, because we all know, if you haven't watched my video with the Air Jordan 5 Off-White, it's very important that y'all start legit checking your sneakers before you buy them, because you just don't want to get hit paying resale for a shoe that's not even real at the end of the day. I was talking to one of my homies, and I was like, look, the Chunky Dunky, I think I will never own a pair because I seen a real pair from Nike sneakers, and I seen a fake pair from an unauthorized site. It was so close. It was the exact same shoe, I'm not even gonna lie. And that scares me because, like, that means people really out here paying $1,700 for a fake shoe and they don't even know. So, in my personal opinion, I just think it's super important to, like, try your best to legit check sneakers before you buy them, especially when that shoe has some hype to it, or you know people out here making replica pairs because it has a lot of resale to it or it has a lot of hype to it. Those tend to be like the most repeatable shoes are the ones that's really hyped out there. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. We're gonna head to the post office. I'm gonna pick up the pair of sneakers, bring them back. I'm gonna try Check app for the first time. I'm really not sure how to use it, and once I figure out if it's legit or not, I mean, show you guys, you know what I'm saying? So without further ado, let's get to it, man. Peace. All right, so this is between us, all right? I think I might have like the worst vlog karma in the history. Every time I try to put my camera out and do something like super cool with some great B-roll, it's always raining and trash. So, I mean, whatever. All right, what we listening to today, man? You know what I'm saying? Every time I get in the whip, y'all know if you watch my channel on the regular. Every time I hop in the whip, I gotta show y'all what I'm listening to. So today, I'm gonna go something for the younger heads out there, bro. I'm gonna throw on that J.I. Prince of New York one time for the one time, man. I gave my dog a couple hundred, told him hold his hand. He locked up, so I pray for him before I go to bed. Yeah. My back was turned when y'all was talking, but I heard what y'all said. Yeah. All these tears out on phone, but they ain't never shed. They ain't said Yo, so as y'all can see, package is secured, man. So now we about to head back to the house, open this up and see exactly what we got inside. Let's do it. But before we get back to the crib, I do want to say something very, very quickly. What do y'all think that's inside this box? I like doing stuff like this because only a few of y'all actually during this part of the video. A lot of y'all think y'all smooth, but y'all wait to the end of the video to guess what it is. But I mean, it's kind of cheating, so you already know. But inside this box is a sneaker that I wanted and I went live for. So if you watch my lives, you probably got an idea of what it was. I go live for almost everything, but I went live for this and I wanted it, but I didn't get it. And I got it now. So tell me what you think this is. Okay, now we can go back to the studio. All right, guys, we are back at the crib, as you can see, and I have the box right here in front of me. So I'm not gonna waste too much time. I already kind of did like a small little vlog in the beginning of the video, but let's finally see what these are because I'm super excited to have these back in the studio. Now, if you are new to my channel, I didn't say this already in the video, but subscribe because we do videos like this all the time. Almost every day I'm buying shoes, bro. I promised myself I would not buy anything else for the rest of the month. We only got like 5 more days in a month. Let's see if I can actually hold up on my end of the bargain. It's gonna be hard, but I mean, I believe I can get it done. So as we open these up, I'm gonna show y'all the box. One time for the one time. What do y'all think is in this box? I want to know. I'm actually surprised that it came in this box. I thought it would come in another box just because of what it is. So, I don't know. I'm kind of surprised. We're going to open this thing back on 2. On 2. Who does it on 2? On 3. We're going to do it on 3. 1, 2, 3. Bye-ow. You still ain't see it. So, 1, 2, 3. Bye-ow. We have the Community Garden Dunk Low, the Nike Dunk Low Community Garden. I really like this sneaker, for sure, for sure. I went for this on live. If y'all remember, I caught an L. Dunks are more hard to get now than ever, okay? They're extremely hard to get. And like I said, I got a great deal on this shoe, so shout out to the homie who allowed me to buy this from him. Now, what I want to say very quickly, by looking at these, I thought it was going to come in the box that had like the multicolor box, like the same ones that the Grateful Dead's come in or the Travis Scott ones came in. I thought it would be like that big of a release for the community garden, but I guess not. Regardless though, this shoe pretty much looks as well as I thought it would look. It's not like the colors don't pop out as much as I thought it would be. I thought the colors would be a little bit more eye-catching, but to me it's still like a solid sneaker. Let me know what y'all think about these down below. Now, am I gonna get a million rocks out of these? Probably not. But I still think it's good to have in the collection for a bunch of purposes. But I'm excited to have it. I've been getting a lot of dunks lately. More than likely, if I have to pay resale for a dunk, I'm not gonna do it. I just got a deal I couldn't refuse on these because the dunks only retail for $100. The resale for dunks are like 400, 500 plus. I mean, I just can't do that. You know what I'm saying? Just like I'm paying, as y'all can see, bro, I am paying resale for sneakers now. Y'all see me. When I went and bought the Travis Scott lows, when I went to Vault out there in Tampa, I bought a pair of Travis Scott lows. How much you think those cost, bro? Y'all can't say Snipe don't pay resale no more. I bought a pair of the Yeezy Average, okay? Resale, paid that. I bought the Off-White Dunks, here they go right here in the cut. I bought these, I paid resale for it. So, your boy Snipe, I'm paying resale now, okay? I am paying resale now, so all y'all to be like, yo, man, you don't pay resale. Okay, I pay it. And my only reason of not paying it at first was because I didn't truly understand like as much as I needed to know about either buy it now or never get it because it's only gonna go up. 99%, well 95% of shoes only gonna go up in value. Like this shoe will go up in value over time. So it's like if you don't pull the trigger now, you never will. If it's too much for you now, it's gonna be too much for you later. Of course, I might, you know, get more money and be more successful, but still, I'll be spending more money. So I just thought, hey, why not just go ahead and get it out the way. If you want it, get it now. That's pretty much my motto. And that's why I said I'm turning down a lot of the other releases that I don't want, like the GRs that I really will never wear in my collection. That's why I do videos like selling my sneaker collection, because I look behind me and I see this huge wall full of a lot of sneakers, but I'm not wearing any of them. And I have no plans on wearing any of them. So I'm gonna just slow down on those and concentrate more on these, which is the sneakers that I actually do like and I want in my collection. So what I'm gonna do right now is go ahead and take some pictures and check out an app called CheckCheck app. Now CheckCheck did not pay me for this. They did not ask me to do a video for them, which they really should though, because I mean, hey, right here, CheckCheck, if this actually wound up getting to you, come on, bro, I reached out like 3 times. But I'm gonna be doing that because I don't feel like going up and getting these legit checked by a mall or anything like that. It's raining outside, it's like an hour away. And the stories that I heard from CheckCheck is they're super easy. You can do it at the crib and it only takes like 5 minutes. So, I mean, why not go ahead and try it? Actually, let me go ahead and take these pictures and set it up, and then I'll come right back with the results. And we're back. That was actually very easy and very quick. Had I known that it was this easy and very quick, I probably wouldn't even never went to the mall to actually do the video that I did to get my Air Jordan 5 Off-White legit check, because that was super fast. And I'm gonna throw up on the screen right now. I did a CheckCheck app. I used the 3-minute credit, which is only $3. So for only $3, I got these legit checked in 30 minutes. But the truth is, it only took like 10. Fastest you can get it is 30 minutes. They got like an hour 30. They got like 2 hours, an hour and 30, and 30 minutes. I chose 30 minutes. It was only $3. And they really did it in like 10 minutes. It wasn't even 30 minutes. So huge shout out to CheckCheck. Once again, I am not getting paid or sponsored, but I did find out it was a way to use that. I seen friends and family that was using that. I know it's legit, and they gave it a pass. So it is a legit pair. Like I said, I threw it up on the screen. So now we at ease. We know that, you know, they legit, and I'm happy because I wanted these, bro. So hey, thank you. And y'all know fall season is coming too. So I think this shoe is really great for a fall season shoe. If y'all look right there, the one thing I like about this most out of like all the other dunks that I have in my collection is probably like the material that's on this. It's not like a regular leather or like a regular canvas. It almost feels like a denim type material that's surrounding the shoe. I'm really loving it, bro. Dunks have made a supreme comeback in the year 2020 to the point where I'm hoping that the foam posit can make a comeback like the dunk, because the dunk has literally taken over 2020. One thing for the dunk lows to sell out, but when a dunk highs is selling out, bro, that's something completely different. But yes, guys, this is my new pickup. Make sure you let me know how do you feel about the newest pickup down below in the comment section. I'm done. I'm not buying nothing else, and I do mean nothing else for the rest of the year, bro. No, not the rest. I'm tripping. Not the rest of the year, the rest of the month. That's a lot of Skrilla. I ain't gonna hold you. That's a lot of bread, man. So hey, like I said, I'm not doing nothing else. I'm not buying nothing else. I'm not doing nothing else. This is it. I appreciate you guys for tuning in once again to another video. Make sure you subscribe if you already haven't. Check out my Instagram and Twitter. It's linked down below as well. And until next time, it is your boy Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad. I love y'all. Dream big.